everyone and welcome back to the MadTechTalk. I hope that you enjoyed my previous review of the CMF Phone 2 Pro by Nothing, and today I'm coming to you with the CMF Watch Pro 2 by Nothing, which cost around £69, and I think it's a very cool watch. So when it comes to the watch, it came with this box, and it is an aluminum alloy watch with bezel, and to be honest, it's a pretty cool watch. I actually do enjoy the design of it. It's very nice, very smooth. It's a bit thicker than I thought it will be, but in general it has a very nice kind of feeling to it. It comes with the 1.32 AMOLED display with the auto brightness, obviously. It has 100+ signature faces, because obviously they're kind of having their own Nothing OS, which I think it's pretty cool. It has a GPS, so it's a built-in multi-GPS. It has a Bluetooth calls with the AI noise reduction. I kind of wonder as well, how will that work, which I think it's a pretty cool thing. It covers 120 sports mode with smart automation recognition, and it says it holds the battery for 11 days and also has a gesture control, which I think is pretty decent. On the phone itself, I have many different options when it comes to the watch. So, you know, like obviously from the basic kind of settings about me to kind of the measurements of, like, you know, how your day is going, etc. So it's pretty decent. Like, the design of it is very nice. It's kind of very Nothing OS, which I very much like. Inside the phone you can choose so many different watch faces. Like, there's so much to choose from to kind of stylize it however you like and, you know, make it visible, which I think is pretty cool. So my general feeling, for £69 and on a deal for £59, it's definitely a decent watch. I very much like it. I think it's totally worth it, so yeah, I would definitely need to thank my friend to borrowing it to me and actually be able to do a review, as I actually recommended it to him and make the whole kind of research about what is the cool phone, especially with his CMF Phone Pro. So yeah, very much appreciate. Let me guys what you think about this watch. I think it's decent. I think it's definitely a good value for the price, which I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, hope you like this video, and if yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe to this channel so you're up to date with everything what's going on, and see you in the next one. Take care!